In this video, we will see under the format protection, protect the sheet and lock the cell. Before going to protect the sheet, let's see what is this lock cells. It is to be noted here that entire cells of the sheets is by default locked. How you will know this? How we will know this? Go to the alignment, click on the protection. You can see here there is a tick marked. This means entire cells in our sheet is locked by default. Okay, next. If you want to unlock the entire cells from the protection, go here, select the entire sheet, go to the alignment, go to the protection and make the cells unlock here. Click here. Okay, the cell will get click here, the cell will get unlocked, make it okay. Yeah. The next is that the another method is that select the entire sheet, go to the format, click on lock the cell and now go to the alignment and check your protection. Your entire cells got a unlocked. See, there is a no tick here and in the box there is no tick in the lock, so your entire cells are unlocked here. Again, if you wanted to lock back the entire cell, go to the format and click back on the same lock cells. Your entire cells are got locked. Again, check protection sheet. See, there is a tick mark on the lock box. So this is a use of lock the cell. Now coming back to the protection sheet. What is this protection sheet? By name itself suggests that our sheet is get protected. The protected from what? The protected from unwanted changes from the other, like editing, inserting the cells, inserting the columns, inserting the rows, formatting the cells, etc. and etc. Now, under the protecting the sheet, we can either protect the entire sheet or we can protect only part of the sheet by putting the password to protect the sheet. Now, let's see one by one protecting the full sheet and protecting part of the sheet. I have mentioned here the path how you can protect the full sheet and how you can protect only part of the sheet. Both has the different steps. So you can click here, zoom it and go and follow this to protect the full or part of the sheet. Now we can see both these by taking the example. In order to protect a full sheet, what you have to do is that just select entire sheet, go to the format, click on the protection sheet, the protect sheet. Okay, protect the sheet. Okay, protect the sheet from what? Okay, now here you can see that there is a format cell, format column, format rows. Now these are the boxes given, the option given. If we click on that, then you are allowing the user to make the changes to that extent wherever you have clicked. For example, if I click on the insert column, the other person will allow to insert the column. If I click on the insert the rows, other person will allow, you are allowing other person to insert the row. This is unclick means we are not allowing other person to do any of the changes mentioned here. We can just click some of them like use auto filler, edit the object, and we can unclick so that only to that extent wherever it is click, the other person will not be allowed to make the changes to that extent. Means we are protecting our sheet to this extent. Other person is only allowed to use the auto filler, edit object in this situation, and other things like this, all the things they are not allowed to do the changes. I am unclicking all this because I don't want to use the change. I don't want anything to be done by other. Let's push the password. I am putting here A, B, C, D. Keep one thing in the mind that once you put the password, you have to write somewhere or keep it in mind what is the password you have put. If you forgot, you cannot recover it back. So I have put ABCD as a password, making okay. A second time also you have to put it. Okay. Now let's see whether we can make the changes. Now this is 25. Let's see. We cannot make any changes. Can we insert the column? See, there are no option is showing here. These options are not highlighting. See, this means we cannot insert the column. We cannot insert the row. See, we cannot format the cells. We cannot see. We cannot hide it. We cannot unhide row height. See, we cannot unhide it. So all these options are not visible here because we have protected our sheet. Now to unprotect it, to go back, click here, entire sheet, and go to the format and unprotect the sheet. Put the password. While unprotecting, they will ask you the password. The whichever password you have put it for protecting the sheet, now you have to put that back to unprotect. Make it okay. Now your entire sheet is unprotected. Now what are the steps for protecting only part of the sheet? See, here I have given the steps. See, you can see the protecting part of the sheet. I have given the step. All you just have to follow this. You will your sheet will get only part of the sheet will get protect. Here I have given protecting for the full sheet, and here I have given the protecting only part of the sheet. Let's follow these steps. First step is select the entire sheet. Select the entire sheet. Click on alignment. Click on the protection. If the cell is locked like this, okay, then you have to uncheck it, make it okay. Then select the range of the cell, then go to the format. Under the protection, first you have to lock the cell. Once you lock the cell, then go back again to the format and click on the protection sheet. Once you click on the protection sheet, put it on the protect sheet, click on the your put your password. Now you can see you, we cannot make the changes here, but we can make the changes here. For example, this is laptop. We can make the changes here. See, this is 3700. We can make the changes here. If you want to insert the columns and all, we cannot insert because this part is locked. This part is protected. So if we like to put it here, insert the columns, we cannot insert the columns, delete the columns. In the same way, if you like to insert the rows and all, we cannot insert the rows. Now to unprotect it, go back to the format and unprotect the sheet. Put your password and unprotect the sheet. If you forget your password, your sheet will remain protected. So please keep it in mind that you will remember your password or write somewhere. The next is that in this, the cells are locked here. Okay. Now in this, under the protecting sheet, you can see here there is a format cell, format columns, and as I told you before that one, if we click on this, Okay, if we tick on this, then we are allowing the other user to make the changes to this extent, you know, in our sheet. Let's see. We will click this insert the column, insert the row. Okay, and I will click on the format the cells and format the column and format the row. Okay, others are unclicked. Putting the password. See, we cannot insert any of the thing here in the cells. See, we cannot insert anything in the cell. You can see. However, we can insert the, see, however, you can insert the rows. But we cannot delete because we have not clicked the delete. We cannot delete it. See, because we have not clicked the delete. In the same way, our format cells and the row height is also here highlighting. Hide, unhide is also highlighting. This means to this extent we can make the changes. Now let's see the formatting the cells. Now this is our laptop. I'm selecting here. Let's do the bold. Let's do the this. So we can do the changes which are whatever we have clicked in our allow whatever we have allowing the user to make the changes. You can see the laptop, monitor, keyboard. These are, see, I can color it. I can put the color in this. This means we are allowing the other user to make the changes to this extent. That is formatting, because we have clicked the format cells, formatting options. We have clicked the inserting option so that other user can insert the columns and rows in that. However, we have not clicked the column delete. We have not clicked the delete and other options, so that things the other user will not be able to do. So I am unprotecting it. I am unprotecting the sheet, putting the password and okay. There is one more option here. Besides this format, there is my second option is there, that is under the review. We can go and protect the sheet here, and if you want, okay, we can unclick all the option whatever is given under the format. The same options are given here also. And again, like once we protect, the same option will come here. Like this is, you can see the protect sheet. Here it will come unprotect the sheet. Once you protect the sheet, okay, here this will change and it will show it as a unprotect the sheet. Then you have to go and click here and unprotect your sheet.